Oh, we have a beautiful square body today. It's a 1983 Chevy C10 painted like a ruby. It's just absolutely gorgeous with 22-inch Foose wheels, full-blown leather custom interior. It's got a 6-liter LS2 motor under the hood. Go to volocars.com. You'll find over 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. There will be a QR code on the screen. You can scan that and it'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Oh, out in the daylight, absolutely killer. This is a candy apple red. It's got the metal cowl hood. All this is straight, clean, fits nice. You can see they've eliminated emblems. I don't know if they had a hood ornament, but all that's gone for just a nice, clean look. The fender is outstanding all the way down here, way to the bottom. All this is looking real sharp. The roof, all looking good. The one flaw I found, there's a hairline crack right there, like the size of a long eyelash. Door opens up real nice. Jambs are painted slick. The box is excellent. No dents, no dings, no waves, no rust blisters anywhere. Same thing with the tailgate. All nice, clean metal. Says Chevrolet embossed right in it. This side's just as nice, all looking really good. And I really like this gray detail they painted around the wheel wells, matches the wheels. And then they have this black detail here at the bottom of the gas door, probably to, just help with the little scratches from your fingernails. The rain gutters have been replaced. All this rubber seals look like they've been replaced. Jambs are clean. Door shuts real nice. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Amazing color. I'll be honest, the color, the stance, the wheels is really what drew me to the car. The bumpers are new, so beautiful, bright chrome. The grille is all new. LED headlights, all four, obviously. Has a little spoiler down underneath there. The glass is all very nice in the car. The side glass and back glass has been tinted. And again, these are 22-inch Foose wheels. They're wrapped in some performance tires. Lowered down, obviously, squatted real nicely. The rubber seals around the windows have been replaced. And coming around the back, new bumper, and it also has LED taillights and turn signals. Gorgeous, gorgeous truck. Let's look at the interior and the motor. All right, just catch a glimpse of that color, especially where the light hits it. Just absolutely stunning. Real tiny, tiny metal flake. So the tailgate opens properly, and you can see it's all been sprayed with a professional bed liner. I think they did a great job with that. And it even has a big, thick rubber mat on top of the bed liner. So guess what? You can use this, and I'm sure this opens somehow too. This lifts up, I'm sure. Very usable space back there. You don't have to worry about damaging anything. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. Yeah, the jambs are painted real pretty. Weather strips replaced. And I had kind of hinted that it has a custom interior. Well, you can see the door panel all custom, wrapped in leather with that cloth insert. A lot of billet hardware with black trim on it, looking really sharp. Even the dash pad is wrapped in that same leather. The instrument panel is all in excellent shape. Full set of optional gauges. Got 2,000 miles showing on the odometer. The heater control panel looks new. It's a retro stereo system. All the metal inside is painted. You have this nice center console with a wireless phone charger, cup holders, 12-volt receptacle, and there are speakers on either side of it. Glove box is all nice and clean, looks new. The latch looks new. Kick panels wrapped in leather. You have some nice quality premium carpets. New sill plates, the seats, very comfortable. Again, leather with the cloth inserts. It has this center section. It does fold down, but there's a subwoofer here, and it looks like it's hitting the subwoofer, so you'd have to do something with that if you want this to fold completely down. And behind this seat, this is all wrapped in leather. So real nice upholstery. Looking up at the headliner, it's all custom to match the inserts on the seats and door panels. The visors are wrapped. Then we have this real good looking steering wheel mounted to a tilt column. See, I really like the interior. Very nice. Okay, so that's an all aluminum 6-liter LS2 motor. We were told by the previous owner that it is a new motor, not a used motor. It does have on top, it's a fast air intake with a 92 millimeter throttle body, and it has the fast fuel rails. These Chevrolet valve covers are not cheap. They're in the hundreds of dollars. It has stainless steel headers hiding down there. All the air conditioning parts are new, not rebuilt, but all new system. These are called slosh tubs. These are custom inner fenders, so the car could be lowered down. They're fiberglass. You can see all painted to match the truck. You have a real nice custom overflow bottle for the radiator, which happens to be all aluminum. It has dual electric fans. Serpentine belt runner system on the front. You have this nice air intake tube. Got power steering down there, and of course we got power brakes. Again, everything just painted up real nice and smooth. New hood insulation. So nice looking engine compartment. Best part of it though is how it performs, and Michael's going to demonstrate that for you. We'll see you in a few minutes.
That's a proper way to start your morning off. The LS2 is sounding right, I'll tell you that. Loving the exhaust. Really feeling at home in this interior. I like the center console with the cup holders. Little things. We do have the air conditioner on. It's blowing nice and cold. Power steering running nice and smooth, and you got a good consistent brake pedal. Feel confident driving the car, the truck, excuse me. Everything feels nice and dialed in so far. And let's see what she's got. Just like that, we're up to 60 miles an hour. No sweat at all. Liking the performance. Feels nice and tight. Got the overdrive trans. It looks like we're at about 58 miles an hour and maybe 2,000 RPMs. Great setup for cruising. You guys can come down, take it for a test drive if you'd like to. Contact our sales team the day before and we'll have the truck ready for you to look at. Other than that, check out all the details at volocars.com.
Okay, I was looking at this closer. There's just a little lever right here under this tonneau, and then this rolls up, and there's little straps that hold it in place there. So underneath the truck is real nice, all nice custom exhaust. Obviously it's lowered, so there's been work done on the suspension and steering. Disc brakes at all 4 of the wheels. The frame is painted, the floors are solid and clean. The fuel tank, fuel system's all real nice, all compatible with the fuel injection system. So got a really nice underside. Beautiful truck. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get it delivered to your door. If you need financing, insurance, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.